Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So when I created this look, it was a Facebook Live, and then I decided to edit it and post it up on YouTube for all of you. So if you want to see how I achieved this Scarecrow look, then just keep watching. The first thing I'm going to go in with is a primer to give myself a nice base before going in with any makeup. I am using the Maybelline Master Prime and blending that out with my fingers. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the color Neutral Beige and blending that out with my Real Technique sponge. And we are blending, 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 and once all that foundation is blended out, I am going to go in with some concealer. This is the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline in the color Ivory. I'm then going to take my Real Technique sponge again and go ahead and blend out that concealer. After my concealer is all blended in, I'm going to take my Real Techniques powder brush and my Born This Way translucent powder by Too Faced and set everything that I just did. And I do apologize for the quality of this video. Like I said, it was a Facebook Live, so it was recorded with my computer and not my actual camera. I'm then going to go in with my Spackle Mist by Laura Geller and set my face just a little bit more. I'm then going to go into my Makeup Forever palette and pick up a black matte shadow and put that all over my lid. I am going to go ahead and speed up this part for you guys just a little bit, just for the sake of this video. Once that black shadow is packed on, I am going to take a fluffy brush and blend out the black shadow to just smoke it out a little bit before adding an orange color. Once my eyes are all smoked out, I'm taking my Pixi by Petra gel liner and tight lining my water lines. I prefer a gel liner for this, but you can use whatever eyeliner you feel comfortable using. I then took a smaller blending brush and blended out some black shadow on the lower lash lines. So for whatever reason, the part where I showed that I blended out the black with some orange eyeshadow did not get on this video, but I just used my NYX Ultimate Palette and I'm taking those same orange colors and blending out the black on my bottom lash line. I then took a small paintbrush and started shaping out the nose with some face paint that I got in a pack from Walmart, and then I filled it in a little bit more with another paintbrush just to get a little bit more color. And funny thing is I kept grabbing my phone for a mirror and, while I was shooting this, and I was getting really frustrated with myself because I wanted an actual mirror, not just my phone. But anyways, I'm taking a black liquid liner. This is the Vinyl Liquid Liner by NYX and doing a nice little winged liner on both eyes. I then took the Real Techniques eye sponge and started filling in that nose again a little bit with the orange face paint. So after filling that nose in, I took my Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara and coated my lashes top and bottom to prep them for false lashes. I then decided that I wanted to add some purple glitter to the black part of my eyes, so I went in with the NYX Glitter Goals in the color Retrograde and put that all over where I placed the black on my eyes. I'm then going to quickly apply some false lashes. These are the Kiss lashes in the style Splendor. I'm then grabbing that NYX black liquid liner again and creating some false lashes on the bottom lash line. I'm then filling in my eyebrows really quickly with my NYX Brow Wiz pencil in the color Brunette. I then decided to go through and bronze up my face a little bit. I am using the NYX Matte Bronzer in the color Deep Tan. I'm then going to take some black Halloween makeup and start creating the mouth. I am first starting by filling in my lips. I'm filling my bottom lip completely in, and then I fill in about half of my upper lip. So I then took a thin paintbrush and that same black makeup and started creating the outer corners of the mouth. I didn't really like how it was applying, so I decided to go in with that same NYX black liquid liner and fill it in that way. And I apologize for my mirror being in the way of this a little bit, but I hope that you guys can still get the gist of it. I decided that my lips weren't as dark as I wanted them to be, so I took that Pixi by Petra gel liner and started filling them in to get them a little bit darker. I then decided that I was going to finish lining the rest of the mouth with that gel liner. I'm then taking that same liquid liner that I created the mouth with originally, and I'm starting to do little X's. This is going to create the little stitch marks like my mouth is sewn shut. And as you can see, as I work my way down to the corner of the mouth, I am making those X's just a little bit smaller as we go. So it's a little gradient effect with small to big. And taking that same liquid liner, I am going to outline the nose in black, and then I'm also going to create little hash marks around the nose to create little stitches there as well and make it look like the nose is sewn on. I'm then dipping into that NYX Ultimate palette into those two orange colors that we used to blend out the black on the eyes, and I'm taking a fluffy brush and using this as a blush. I'm just using this in circular motions, as you can see here on the apples of my cheeks, just to make these look a little bit more rounded than you normally would with blush. I'm then taking that small paintbrush and dipping into a brown face paint to create freckles on the cheeks and then over the top of the nose. I would typically use like an eyebrow pencil or something like that if I was wearing this makeup out, but for the sake of the video and for it to show up on camera, I decided to use a little face paint, so it was a little darker. I didn't add this part in the video, but as soon as I was done with the freckles, I did use a little setting spray to set my entire face. Okay, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!